Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel Fitness Fusion GR. Today, we have something really exciting and beneficial for you. We'll be making our very own homemade tonic water that not only tastes great but also has some amazing health benefits. This tonic is perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds and detoxify their liver. So, let's jump right into it. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups of water. 2. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 3. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 4. 1 teaspoon of honey, adjust to taste. 5. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. 6. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 7. A pinch of black pepper. 8. Ice cubes, optional. 9. Lemon slices and mint leaves for garnish. Boil water. Start by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Add ginger. Now, let's add some flavor and digestive benefits. Grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger and add it to the warm water. Ginger is excellent for digestion and helps kickstart your metabolism. Turmeric and black pepper. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Don't forget a pinch of black pepper, as it enhances the absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Lemon juice. Squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lemon and add it to our concoction. Lemon juice is known for its detoxifying properties and adds a refreshing citrusy flavor. Apple cider vinegar. Now, for some acidity and additional detox benefits, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's the raw, unfiltered kind with the mother. Sweeten it up. To sweeten our tonic, add a teaspoon of honey. You can adjust the amount to your taste preferences. Mix it well. Give everything a good stir to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Chill or serve warm. You can enjoy this tonic 2 ways. Garnish. For a touch of elegance and extra flavor, garnish your tonic with lemon slices and a few mint leaves. Now, let's talk about why this tonic can help with weight loss and liver detox. The combination of ingredients we've used aids in digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports liver function. It's a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Ginger and turmeric boost metabolism and help burn fat. Lemon and apple cider vinegar aid in detoxification. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric. Honey provides natural sweetness without refined sugars. And there you have it, our homemade tonic water for weight loss and liver detox. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.